only 1/3. 2/3 again.
Sangka di ponggol. Abi ko amuro niya ang glass namon nga ano atunan may didto pagaliol. Tawa nyo guys.
Get the points on the app.
Dito pa sa taas-taas. Haragay! Hello mga kabalda! Samahan nyo kami ni Thomas na mag-hike dito sa bundok. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang aming dinadaanan. Malapit lang po kami sa border ng Russia at border ng Finland. Mga nasa 10 kilometer lang mula sa mismong bayan ng Kirkenes hanggang sa border ng Russia. At ang Finland naman mga kabalda is mga nasa 35 kilometer lamang mula sa Kirkenes hanggang sa Finland. Mas malayo ng konti kumpara sa Russia. Napakalapit talaga ng Kirkenes sa Russia. Halos baktasin na lang, habang ang Finland naman ay magbabiyahe ka ng mga nasa 30 to 40 minuto, depende sa ruta.
Oh, where you have been seeing under the water.
Guys, so,
From our
so
home.
beautiful.
It's a more narrow road.
Wow! It's so beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful talaga dito. Before, we are in a long distance relationship of my husband. While he is driving, we're calling,
Yeah.
do video call and talking, and then I see it only on the screen of his phone. But
This
right
place?
now, yeah, on this place, yeah. But right now, I'm beside him. Yeah, I experience, and I'm inside the car with my husband now, driving. So yeah, I love it. Thank you so much, Lord, for this man beside me. What a beautiful cabin, Shada.
Just very close to the road. I would like that if I build a cabin, I wouldn't have it close, so close to the road,
Why?
to a main road like this, because you will hear cars all day. If I'm gonna have a cabin, I will have it in the woods where I can't hear cars.
Really?
Well, our family cabin is in a small town, very small area, but it's still in the outskirts of it, so you don't have a lot of cars. You hear the tractors from the farm.
Oh, the old woman. It's a lot of old woman here live, Shada.
Regular people.
Live old people.
People everywhere.
Gayo guys. So, sensyahan nyo na lang.
Old school. Was it up here or to the next level?
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Ayan guys, oh. Oh my god, Shada. I think it will rain. Oh guys, oh. Thomas guys. Ay, pero malamig ha. Oh my god, I forgot to bring my jacket. Mainit na, hindi mo maintindihan na malamig. Ay, ang bot. Oh, mag-hike daw kami guys. Hike. Grabe, totoo. Ito pala yung guys. Oh. Ang ganda guys, no? Ang ganda talaga dito guys. Yan guys, ang ganda ng bahay guys. Oh.
But we started very
40 minutes ko no guys. Ah! Lima ko guys. I forgot to bring my selfie stick. Uy! No, I won't. I'll show them.
It's better you don't film here, Maha, because this is not good. I promise you.
Ayan guys. Grabe guys. Mga ilang minutes na rin kami naglalakad. Ayan o. Ayan, kita nyo guys. Daw, pareha lang sa Pilipinas. Lapsi ko guys. Kaya nagkaan na ko guys. Oh. Tingnan nyo guys, likod ko. Ayan ang aming daanan. There's no blueberry yet. Wala pa guys. August pa daw sabi ni Thomas. Ayan guys.
July is a magical month, I guess.
July? Yeah. Dala ni Thomas is water and some food. Ganda guys oh. Diba? Ayan guys. Oh, diyan na kita sa taas. So, ito dito kay Thomas. Grabe. Mga 40 minutes nga walking guys. Guys, oh. Wala pang blueberry. Pero next time I think. Shortcut dyan. Oh my god. It's so beautiful guys. Sangka di Pongo. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. So remember ko lang nag-ato dyan si Thomas last 2023. Long distance relationship ang tirada. So yeah. Naglusong distance kami ni Thomas. Diyan tayo nag-ato before. Tapos hindi namin dinala ang drone ni Thomas because kailangan pa i-update. Maybe next time kapag pupunta kami sa ano. Ang ganda! I love it! Thank you Lord!
Is it good?
Yeah. Thank you Lord. Oh, it's so beautiful guys. Ang hangin. Oh, si Thomas. Diba? Ang ganda guys.
This is only 1/3. 2/3 again.
Sangka di Ponggol. Abi ko amuro niya ang glass namon nga ano atunan may dito pagaliol. Tawan nyo guys.
To get the points on the app.
Dito pa sa taas-taas. Haragay! Maalamang daw maangatakan. Nan, pamana pagkakano-kano guys. Pamana pagkakano-kano. Nami pala guys. So, tawan nyo guys. Hold on! Dami guys no? Ay, ambot lamang renta na. Agay, maan lamang dumangatakin. Diretso pagalitaman. Can we shortcut? Ay, pangkisyon. Gwanta ta guys. Para sa ating kinabukasan to. Follow the leader. Follow the Thomas. Nami di siya guys. Did siya guys. Alas 3 rin siya kahapon. Ay, ambot lamang ay. Dumaangatakin. Guys. Dito na kami sa tuktok. Grabe. Dito kinatahalin. Din naman Diyan banda. Kita nyo. Dito ta banda kayo na. Charon taas. Tapos ang puntahan na naman. Dito na naman. Sa may pole. Kapoy men Tuto. Si Tuto Thomas. Kapoy. Ay, no. Arita na. Perti guys. Nami no? Ay, kung sa personal guys, nami gitu guys. Isa kang kamera ang gamit ko guys, so. Amo lang niya. Shada! May mga ano dyan guys, oh, may mga ano. Ayan, oh. Kahoy. It's very nice. Hello. Can you take my picture? Here, oh. There.
There?
Yeah.
Yes.
Ayan na guys, malapit na kami sa kamatuuran talaga. Ayan si Thomas. Diba? Kainit. Kainit na malamig ang hangin. Negative. Plus 20 ata na today. Grabe ang ganda guys, oh. Yung mga nakita nyo na mga puti-puti, mga snow yan na hindi pa natunaw. Grabe na talaga. Bakas man si Thomas lakad guys. Go Shana! Hala bira. Ayan o, may palatandaan na ganyan. Sundan nyo lang. Yan ang radio station. Para sa ampot. Basta mo rambal ni Thomas. Guys, ngito si Thomas ang anong nga Ray-Ban nga wigit. But kung di na to gya. There?
Maybe it goes there. Can you go up on that and check?
No! There we sit there.
Sure?
Yeah.
I think so. I can't find that.
Dura ang ano ni Thomas guys. Eyeglass na. Atayuan. Kain ko. Protein bar. Hanapin ko muna kung saan. Hindi na kaya ito nahulog. Guys, we're going Al Pancho. Don't joke at me. Nakita na ang sunglass ni Thomas, guys. Joke ha. Pauwi na kami, guys. So, diba? Rewarding. Yeah.
Have you registered the first one?
Ito maulan, guys. Yan, dito na.
We can do another one then.
Diba? Parang uulan, guys. So, laban to bang! Uwi na kami, guys.
We are running down.
Yeah.
You ready?
Wow! Yeah, of course, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Lamig, guys. Grabe.
Now I am ready to drive back home. I'm gonna survive.
It's cold, Shada. I feel cold. I don't have jacket.
This is nice wind after going on a hike.
For you, but for me, it's so cold.
Feel this wind is just amazing.
Amazing sa kanya, guys. Akin ta na, rabigan takan, guys. It's so cold. I don't have jacket.
Big jacket. You're not even cold here.
You don't feel it. Look, the water, Shada. What happened to the water? Look. What's that? It's scary. Uy.
But yeah, if you're cold, you're not gonna die or anything.
Too much, eh?
No, I'm much larger than you as well, so that tends to help on keeping warm.
So another 40 minutes.
Let's say stomach muscles.
Good luck later when we
You can
get
walk
home.
up this in the winter, Mahal. Figure out how cold it's then.
Yeah, of
What do you
course.
think it will be? Minus 20?
Minus 30, I think. Here, it's so cold here.
Depending on the wind.
Hi. Shada, Alpancho. Really? Scam. Ang ganda, guys.
Feel it.
Huh?
Feel it.
Take me a picture. Just be careful. It's because I don't want.
Yeah.
It's cold. Ice water.
Huh? It's not ice water.
Ice water, oy! Very nice here. Oh my god. Can you please take me a picture here?
You can stand on that rock.
No, it's okay, oy. I want this one to leave here.
Okay, you can take a picture of me out on the rock there after, okay?
Yeah, sure.
I will try to get... But when I walk there, I have to take my belongings.
So yun guys, doon kami galing ni Thomas. And ngayon, pauwi na kami. So, dyan kanina. And ngayon na naman, doon. Doon ang aming house. So, malayo pa ito guys. Doon pa nakalsada. O, doon pa nakalsada. O, diba? Malayo pa ito guys. So, worth it naman ang aming paglalakad ni Thomas. Ayan. Ang ganda kasi guys ng view. So, say bye na to our vlog.
These as well.
What? What's that?
Another type of berry.
This one? This is cloudberry?
No.
What is this? What is this?
Kring, I think it is.
Krik-kring. Yan guys, di ba? Ang bongga.
Cloudberries, they are, then you have to go to the marshes. Like marshes and bogs.
It's a beautiful day.
They are going extinct as well.
I feel sexy already, Shada.
Yeah.
It's because I exercise. I walking.
We did that as exercise actually.
Yeah, what walking?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's snow still there.
You're training the whole thing over here.
Yeah. I don't have.
You will get. Walk.
That's why I told you we will gonna buy the treadmill.
I don't like treadmill.
So that I can treadmill to our
But we
house.
will in fall. We will get
Guys! Pauwi na kami guys. So haggard ang auntie niya. Shada! Grabe guys, tingnan nyo guys oh. Yan, napakaganda guys no? Malapit-lapit na talaga.
see how much deeper it gets there.
Yeah.
That's how it was in the start. We walked a lot of heights in the start.
Ganda talaga dito guys. Malayo pa rin pala ang aming ano kasi doon pa kami nagparada sa school. Malayo pa oh. Tingnan nyo guys oh, ayan guys oh, ang aming ano guys nilalakad kaya grabe parang doon pa lang kanina sukong-suko na ako. Ay nako. Oh, si Thomas grabe oh, si Thomas oh, Shada. Are you okay? Wow! You want more hikes?
I don't like to walk steep hills, but I hate even walking them down again, like steep down.
Why?
Because then you have to like, I don't like it. I actually prefer walking them up down in that case.
Wow!
Because you're using a lot of muscles.
Wow!
That's why I walk like this. feels a bit better in the pressure.
Amazing, ah. I said amazing, not lazy.
I haven't been lazy today, Mama.
Yeah. Ayun guys, malapit na talaga kami guys. So, dyan guys, papunta na naman tayo pag ganun. Kasi doon ang aming doon ang aming car. Don't have money there. And then there's a house guys.
House there,
So,
house there.
yeah, my house dyan guys, oh. And house dito. Ang ganda
If
dito
you had
guys.
house, which house would you want to these two? For me, it's very simple.
This one.
I would have wanted that.
Okay.
It's more hidden away.
Yeah, okay. I see.
The type of house, I probably would have wanted that type of house. The way a little bigger, but I would have wanted it
Tingnan nyo
more
guys, oh.
hidden away.
Ang ganda dito guys, oh. Ang bahay niya guys, ang ganda. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ayan
You
guys,
see
oh.
that type of plants?
Yeah,
Now don't go into their property.
yeah, I know.
Now we are in their property. Those plants, that's called rabarbra. Rabarbra plants
It's beautiful guys.
that you can eat.
Oh,
But they are very sour, so you have to dip them in sugar.
really?
Yeah.
So it's
When I was
cold in this
kid-
area.
And you can make rhubarb soup with them. It's like a sweet soup.
Mm.
I think when I was kid, we dipped them and just ate them.
Ton Hotel.
Yeah, over there. But now, seriously, I have to
Hindi
hurry
nyo kita.
before we-
Ang ganda guys, no? Oh.
Come on.
Shada ba? Take me picture. Here, oh.